Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for Alto Saxophone. We're still working in the Standard of Excellence, Book 1, and today we're on page 16. So we're going to be learning a few new things today, such as the key signature. Now, I know we've talked a little bit about the key signature, but this is the first time the book is actually introducing it to us. So the key signature contains no sharps or flats. Well, for some of them, the key signature is what tells us what flats or sharps will be in the composition or song or the piece. Okay, and then we have a flat now. So if you look on the other side, you can see what a flat is. We'll talk about it more when we actually get there. That way we won't have to refresh our minds. All right, so let's take a look at our exercise number 62, Climbing Stars. We are learning a new note today, F. Now we already know F sharp, right? It's what we've been playing the whole time. So now this is F natural. So the fingering is going to be very similar. So F sharp, we have our middle finger down. So for F natural, it's just our index instead of the middle finger. Now the difference between the two is F sharp is 1/2 step higher than F natural. Take a listen. So this is F sharp. This is F natural. It's a little bit lower, you hear that? So that's the difference between the two. It's very important though. There's enough of a difference that you'll know, or your audience will know when they're listening and hearing that if someone's playing F natural and it's F sharp, you'll hear it. All right, so let's just take a look at our exercise. So we're just going to be playing to learn a new note and along with just some rhythm. All right, but since we're playing a new note, we'll take this a little bit slower. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's play it again, but let's take it a little bit faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Are you feeling pretty comfortable with F natural? Let's play it one more time. Once again, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look at our next exercise, 63, bingo. All right, so first off, let's talk about our key signature. We have no sharps or flats, so that would be the key of C. It's just one. C is kind of the middle ground, so it has no sharps, no flats. It's, the one that breaks up between the staves between piano. Anyway, it's just the key of C. Our time signature is what? 4/4. We have 4 beats in our measure. We have a pickup note, so that means when I give us the count off, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, play. Okay? And it looks like we're not really learning about the flat yet, so no need to worry about that. All right, let's just play. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Did you remember to play F natural, the new F we just learned? Great. Let's play it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. And just for good luck, let's play it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, excellent job. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wait, hold on. We earned an achievement. Let's take a look at what it is. So that was exercise 63. Hold on. I'm not far back enough. 63. Notes, rhythm, and tone. Yeah, we kind of did. Seems like we're kind of always working on the same things, but it's all right. All right, so now let's take a look at our next exercise. 64, there's music in the air. All right, so this one also has a pickup note. And this key signature is also the key of C, no sharps, no flats. That means we're going to play F natural. And then, yeah, nothing seems too complicated rhythmically. I think we'll be all right. All right, let's play. So remember, I'm going to count to 3 and then we're going to play. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. All right. Did you remember to play F natural? Let's play again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. All right, and we're gonna play it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our next exercise, 65. There's the same music in the air. You know what that means? They just want us to play it again. So this one, we'll play it just one time. I won't make us play 3 more times. So just this one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. All right. Let's move on to our next exercise, 66, scale skill. Now we're gonna have to work on scales at some point. And scales, if you want to learn about scales, you can see them about here. But we're not quite there yet. All right, so this is going to help just work us in. So, once again, we don't have the flats or anything. Key of C, no flats, no sharps. Common time, 4/4. All right, ready? Now this one doesn't have a pickup note, so I'm gonna go back to counting 1, 2, 3, 4, play. Okay? All right, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Did you remember to play F natural? Great. Okay, so let's play this again. Watch where you're supposed to slur and where you're supposed to tone. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's play this one for one more time for good luck. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, let's take a look at our last exercise of the day for alto saxophones only. So now this is where we're going to learn to play B flat. All right, so B flat. I learned the note B flat a little different than this. So the book shows us we're going to hit the top, we're going to do index and middle, and then on our saxophone here on the side, we're going to hit this key here. So I've never played it like this, I'm not going to lie. Okay. So we can play it that way, right? The way I learned to play it is still thumb on the button, right? Because we're in the mid register. And then it's going to be index. And then on our right hand, we're going to do index and pinky. So here's the comparison. Here's the way I learned. Here's the way the book tells us. They're very, very close. So if you feel comfortable playing your B flat like that, do so. If you feel like doing it my way, this way, then do so. Okay, so we'll play this slow since it's a new note, and it's got the funky side key here that we've never played. Now when you play this key, make sure you don't play it with your finger like this. You're going to just play it on the side of your finger here, just like that. Almost like part of your palm. You see that? That is how you're going to play it with that note or that key. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. How did you do playing B flat? If you're playing it like the book, it might need some thinking power. Let's do it again so we get comfortable with it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, did you feel better about the note B flat now? Let's play it one more time to make sure we end on a good note. All right, love me music puns? Get used to it, because music puns are in music class, band, orchestra. We're all about the music puns. All right, last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now, before I let you go, we earned an achievement on that one. Let's take a look at what it was. That's 67. Notes, rhythm, hand position. Hand position is huge when it comes to this key because it's, your fingers still want to remain close. So it's just going to be hitting here. Alrighty. Well, if you have any further questions about the note B flat or anything else in pertaining to today's lesson, please let me know in the comments. And then I'll see you next time.